Speaking from the city beautiful Chandigarh. It's cloudy and windy today in Chandigarh. Good that I'd carried my gilet. Otherwise Delhi was all about single layer riding now. Heading to Sukna Lake. Hopefully I'll catch the sun. It doesn't look like because of the clouds. Time to head to Blue Tokai for coffee. आप साइकिल से जाते स्कूल? If your city is planned for cycling, then I'm pretty sure a lot of parents would prefer sending their kids to school on cycle, which is healthy and also safe. That's the most important point. You can't imagine that in Delhi NCR or some other big metro cities. We need to create a lot of safe space for cyclists. Tomorrow is Holi and I'm already wearing a lot of colors. Did some gujia shopping from Gopal's. Baked gujia for the win. Though baked gujia tastes like a baklava only. Again from Chandigarh. This is day 2 of riding. Next day of Holi. It is still cloudy today. And it did rain yesterday on the Gedi route of Chandigarh, that is Janmarg. And no wonder why the weather is so kind here. because Chandigarh is at the foothills of Shivalik range. I'm sure recently you would have gone through a news. The daughter of Nek Chand has written a letter to PM Modi asking him to intervene because the authorities here in Chandigarh they have demolished a wall of this rock garden. Rock garden was created by Nek Chand, and since Chandigarh is a UT, so the jurisdiction and all the development work comes under the central government. If you would have been to Chandigarh, you would know that Chandigarh is a open space. You won't see any skyscrapers or tall buildings, and there is enough space in Chandigarh. I'm not sure why did they broke the wall of such an important place in Chandigarh. Chandigarh is known for only few things: Sukna Lake, Rock Garden, Sector 17, and all that, because it's a small city. So I hope that the justice will prevail. I am hoping that Prime Minister would intervene. They are saying that they demolished the wall because they wanted to increase the parking capacity of this space, which is so absurd. It's a place where a lot of people, especially tourists, come and go to the rock garden. The best way could have been building a better public transport infrastructure, and that's how people prefer public transport over their personal vehicles. On an evening, you would see a lot of cars, a lot of traffic here, a lot of people gathering here at the rock garden premises. To solve that, I think the better way could have been making a parking space slightly far from this place, and you could have run a public transport service, and I think everybody would have preferred that. But somehow all the cities are now going towards planning cities for cars, which is not a good way. Let's see how this turns out to be. Good 2 days ride in Chandigarh before and after Holi. Had coffee at my favorite place in Chandigarh. Calling it a day for cycling. Until next time, see you Chandigarh.